So, you're thinking about buying a car on Copart, but you're not sure how to choose the right one? I get it. It can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to the platform. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Whether you're buying a car for personal use, resale, or repair, these tips will help you make the best decision. 1. Tips for selecting a car based on budget, condition, and purpose. Before you start browsing, decide how much you're willing to spend. Remember, the car's price is just the beginning. You'll also need to factor in shipping, customs duties, and repair costs, if applicable. It's easy to get carried away in an auction, so set a maximum bid amount and don't go over it. If you're buying a car for yourself, focus on reliable models with clean titles and low mileage. If you're planning to resell the car, look for popular models in Nigeria, like Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, or Lexus RX 350, that are in high demand. If you're handy with repairs or have a trusted mechanic, consider salvage or repairable cars. These can be bought at a lower price and sold for a profit after repairs. 2. Understanding vehicle grades, mileage, and damage reports. Copart uses a grading system to describe a car's condition. Here's what the grades mean. Clean title. The car has no significant damage and is roadworthy. Salvage title. The car has been damaged, e.g. in an accident, flood, or fire, and declared a total loss by an insurance company. Repairable. The car has some damage but can be repaired and driven again. Parts only. The car is not roadworthy and is only suitable for spare parts. Cars with lower mileage, under 100,000 miles, are generally in better condition and have a longer lifespan. While high-mileage cars are cheaper, they may require more maintenance and repairs. Copart provides detailed damage reports and photos for each vehicle. Look for cars with minor damage, e.g., dents, scratches, rather than major structural issues. Use the Vehicle Identification Number, VIN, to get a vehicle history report from services like Carfax or AutoCheck. This will show you the car's accident history, title status, and more. 3. How to avoid buying a lemon or heavily damaged car. Use Copart's Photos and Reports. Carefully review the photos and condition reports provided by Copart. Look for signs of major damage, rust, or missing parts. Hire a third-party inspector. If you're not confident in your ability to assess the car's condition, hire a professional inspector to check it out for you. Check the engine and transmission. Make sure these critical components are in good working condition. Repairs can be expensive. Look for flood damage. Flood-damaged cars can have hidden electrical and mechanical issues. Check for water lines, mold, or a musty smell in the interior. Avoid frame damage. Cars with bent or damaged frames are often unsafe to drive and expensive to repair. Buy from trusted sources. Stick to cars listed by reputable sellers, such as insurance companies or dealerships. Avoid cars with incomplete or suspicious descriptions. Choosing the right car on Copart is crucial to getting the best value for your money. Whether you're buying for personal use or resale, you want to avoid costly mistakes and ensure you're getting a car that meets your needs. That's why I created my car importation video course training to teach you everything you need to know about selecting, buying, and importing cars from Copart. In my course, you'll learn how to spot a great deal and avoid lemons, how to read vehicle grades and damage reports like your favorite Nigerian car dealer does, insider tips for bidding and winning auctions. Don't risk making expensive mistakes. Join my course today and start your car importation journey with confidence. Check the link in the description to get started. Also, let me know if you have any questions.